Good morning, students. In the last video, we saw about modern atomic theory. So, in this class, we are going to discuss about atoms and atomic mass. So, in your previous classes, you might have studied about how to represent an atom. An atom must be containing a symbol, and this symbol will be written with two numbers. One will be called as atomic number and the other will be called as mass number. For example, when we write hydrogen, so H is the symbol for hydrogen. Here we will write 1 and at the upper part we will write 1. So this number is called as atomic number, whereas this number is called as mass number. So we are going to see how to define atomic mass or mass number. Okay. So before learning about atomic mass, we must know about what is called as matter. So dealing with matter, we have completed one lesson in the 9th standard, that is matter around us. Okay. So what is called as matter? What is called as matter? The things we see. Commonly we can say what are things we see, those are called as matter. Okay. Or in a scientific way, we can define matter as anything which has mass and occupies space. For example, this stick, it has a particular mass and in the space it occupies a particular place. So it is an example for matter. Then this chalk piece, it has a particular mass, it occupies space. So it is also an example for matter. So in a scientific way, the matter can be defined as anything which has mass and occupies space. Okay. Then we must know about what are the building blocks of matter. Okay, so if I break this chalk piece, we are getting two different sizes of the chalk pieces. Okay, if I break it further, finally we will be getting a very ultimate particle, very tiny particle. Those particles are called as atoms. Very good. Okay, so we can say that atoms are the building block of matter, whatever matter it may be. This stick is also made by atoms, this chalk piece is made by atoms, and what are the matters? All the matters are made by which one? Atoms. So we can say that atoms are the building blocks of matter. Okay, then in the modern atomic theory, we have studied an important postulate. Atoms are no longer indivisible. That is, atoms are divisible particles. So by that postulate, what we can confirm? Atom consists of subatomic particles. So what are those subatomic particles? And the particles atoms consist of protons, electrons and neutrons. Okay, it consists of 3 subatomic particles. Those particles are protons, electrons and neutrons. Okay, and structure நமக்கு எல்லாருமே தெரியும். ஒரு நியூக்ளியஸ் இருக்கும். நியூக்ளியஸ்ல என்னலாம் இருக்கும்? புரோட்டான்ஸும் நியூட்ரான்ஸும் இருக்கும். எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் என்ன ஆயிட்டு இருக்கும்? வெளியே உள்ள ஷெல்ஸ்ல வந்து ரிவால்வ் ஆயிட்டு. ஓகே, சோ இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். Every atom consists of a nucleus. In this, protons and neutrons are present, whereas this is called as energy level or orbitals or shells. Here electrons are revolving around the nucleus. ஓகேவா? சோ நம்ம அட்டாமிக் மாஸ் பத்தி படிக்கும்போது இந்த சப்அட்டாமிக் பார்ட்டிகிள்ஸ் உடைய மாஸ் பத்தி படிக்கணும். Because every particle has a particular mass. Protons க்கு ஒரு particular mass இருக்கும், neutrons க்கு ஒரு particular mass இருக்கும், electrons க்கு ஒரு particular mass இருக்கும். இந்த மூணையும் ஆட் பண்ணாதான் நமக்கு எது கிடைக்கும்? Mass of an atom வந்து கிடைக்கும். இதுதானா? ஓகே. பட் இந்த மூணுல electrons உடைய mass, the mass of an electron is negligible, which means its value is very small. It has only negligible mass. அதனால என்ன பண்ண மாட்டோம்? We won't include the value of mass of electron. Only we will consider about the mass of proton and neutron. Is it clear? Electrons உடைய mass வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருக்கிறதுனால atomic mass calculate பண்ணும்போது எதை சேர்க்க மாட்டோம்? Mass of electron சேர்க்க மாட்டோம். Only we will think about mass of proton and neutron. So the sum of these two, the sum of number of protons and neutrons is called as mass numbers. So ஒவ்வொரு ஆட்டத்திலையும் எத்தனை protons இருக்குதோ அதையும் எத்தனை neutrons இருக்குதோ அதையும் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது you'll be getting the value of which one? Mass number, or it's also called as atomic mass. Both are same. Atomic mass and mass number are same. Okay va? Okay, so atomic mass. What is called as atomic mass? The sum of number of protons and number of neutrons in an atom is called as atomic mass or mass number. அதாவது ஒரு ஆட்டத்துல உள்ள number of protons ஐயும் number of neutrons ஐயும் ஆட் பண்ணி கிடைக்கிற வேல்யூ தான் அதனுடைய மாஸ் நம்பர் அல்லது என்ன சொல்லுவோம் atomic mass னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகேவா? இப்போ அதோட யூனிட்ஸ் பார்க்க போறோம். ஓகேவா? Generally the particles can be divided into two types. One is macroscopic and one more is microscopic. So what is called as macroscopic? The particles which are bigger in size. இதெல்லாம் பெரிய சைஸா இருக்குது என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? macroscopic னு சொல்லுவோம். இதெல்லாம் smaller சைஸா இருக்குது அத microscopic னு சொல்லுவோம். Atom is macroscopic or microscopic? Microscopic. சரியா? So என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? டைரக்டா ஆட்டத்தை எடுத்து weight machineல வச்சு என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? We cannot measure its mass. அப்படிதானா? But if it is a ball, ஒரு cricket ball அல்லது ஒரு bottle whatever particles, if it is macroscopic means what we can do? We can measure its weight by using a weighing balance. ஒரு தராசுல வச்சு அதோட மாஸ் வந்து நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். அப்படிதானா? Okay. So that is given. The mass of macroscopic particles can be measured by the units either gram or kilogram. அப்படிதானா? gram னு சொல்லுவோம் அல்லது kilogram னு சொல்லுவோம். அப்படிதானா? But for microscopic particle there is a special unit is used that is called as AMU. The expanded form of AMU is atomic mass unit. So to measure the mass of an atom there is a special unit used that is called as AMU or it is atomic mass unit. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Then now we are going to define what is called as AMU, that is atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit na enna adha eppadi define pandrom அப்படிங்கறத பார்ப்போம். Okay, so the definition is it is defined as 1/12 of the mass of a carbon 12 atom. Okay, this is the definition. 1/12 of the mass of a carbon 12 atom. அதாவது carbon 12 அப்படிங்கிறது என்னது? carbon atom. carbon atom mass number தான் என்னது? 12. நம்ம சொல்லும்போது என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? carbon 12 னு சொல்லுவோம். So ஒரு carbon 12 உடைய மாஸ்ல carbon 12 பர்టిక్యులர் மாஸ் இருக்குதானே அந்த மாஸ்ல 12ல ஒரு பங்கு, that is called as atomic mass unit. That is given, it is defined as 1/12 of the mass of a carbon 12 atom. carbon 12 atom உடைய மாஸ்ல 12ல ஒரு பங்கு தான் என்ன இப்படி சொல்லுவோம்? 1/12. Okay, 1/1/12 of the mass of carbon 12 atom. That is called as AMU or atomic mass unit. But always we won't use the term AMU. எங்கேயுமே நிறைய இடங்கள் என்ன பண்ண மாட்டோம்? AMU யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டோம். அதுக்கு பதிலா சிம்பிளா என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? U னு சொல்லுவோம். AMU is otherwise denoted as U. Okay, and AMU has another name. இதுக்கு இன்னொரு பேர் கூட இருக்குது. என்னன்னா unified atomic mass. So we can say either atomic mass unit or what we can say unified atomic mass. ஓகேவா? இப்போ ஹைட்ரஜனுடைய மாஸ் நம்பர் என்ன? 1. சோ அத நம்ம யூனிட் வைஸா சொல்லும்போது என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? 1U or we can say 1 AMU. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so one time we can recapture it. So first we saw about matter. What is called as matter? Anything which has mass and occupies space. இதுக்கெல்லாம் particular massம் spaceல குறிப்பிட்ட இடத்தை அடைச்சிக்கிட்டோ that is called as matter. Which is the building block of matter? Yes, sir. The atoms are the building block of matter. எல்லா மேட்டருமே எதால made up ஆனது? Atoms ஆல made up ஆனது. Atoms consist of 3 subatomic particles. What are they? Protons, neutrons and electrons. This also we know from modern atomic theory. Every atom consists of protons, electrons and neutrons. So in these 3 particles the mass of electron is negligible. It has very less value, so we can eliminate it. So the mass number of an atom is the sum of number of protons and number of neutrons. Okay, then the mass of macroscopic particles can be measured either using gram or kilogram, but for microscopic particles we are using another term that is called as AMU or atomic mass unit. Now the definition of atomic mass unit, it is defined as 1/12 of the mass of a carbon 12 atom. It is also called as unified atomic mass. Both are same. Atomic mass units and unified atomic mass both are same. Okay, but instead of AMU you can simply use the term U. Example, the mass of hydrogen atom is denoted as 1U or 1 AMU also we can say. Okay, that's all about atoms and atomic mass. Thank you.